What is up, guys? Adrian here from Launch TV, and I am joined with Lexi today. We are going to be checking out Universal to go see all the new things. That includes merchandise, construction walls, and who knows what else. Let's get in there and have some fun. As you guys can see, it is a very busy summer day and it's really hot.
Make sure you guys have your water, stay hydrated, don't faint. Florida heat is no joke, y'all.
Now we walk up to Despicable Me Minion Mayhem, and it looks like a long wait. It doesn't say how long it is, but it looks like a long wait. However, we're gonna be waiting a little bit longer for the new attraction to open, which hopefully is Minions. It looks like it is due to everything on the walls. We still haven't heard anything yet. But since the last time we've been to the park, like you guys know, Monsters Cafe has closed. So now there are walls up around that as well. And here, just for reference, this is the old Shrek building. As we turn around, we have the other construction wall, which I kind of like this. It's a different take on the walls. Bunch of different stuff. You have a minion stuck with a freeze ray. You got Margot, Edith, and Agnes playing tug of war with some minions. Just a bunch of cool stuff over here. Also, if you guys didn't know this, the donkey meet and greet is gone. Now, rumor on the mill has that it might be moving somewhere else. Maybe DreamWorks Theater. We'll see. We're not sure. That'll be amazing. Before moving over to Monsters Cafe, I want to come into Super Silly Stuff and check out one more thing. And over here, Lexi is holding the new Minions popcorn bucket. And I really like the fact that we're getting a bunch of new popcorn buckets in the park. But look at where you put the popcorn.
So cute.
That's so cute. I love this. I might have to buy this. Like, maybe not today, but one day I will purchase this. So we ended up getting the popcorn bucket because it's amazing. And this is the voucher they give you for the souvenir refill. Well, it's the first fill. Because the first fill is free, and I think every fill after that is $1.99. I'm gonna ask afterwards just to be sure. And if you're wondering how much it costs to fill this bucket after you get your free fill, it is $2.19 plus tax, which isn't that bad because this is really spacious. Like, look at how much popcorn's in here. Like, how you doing? Now we move back to the Monsters Cafe as it is surrounded by minions. It adds to the speculation that this will probably end up turning into Minions Cafe. Now, am I upset about this? No, not at all. I think it's going to be adorable. I think it's going to really add to the theming. This park lacks in a lot of theming when it comes to a specific area. However, if you go over to Islands of Adventure, you see a bunch of things that make sense together. Over here, there's no connective thing. This allows there to be connectivity and a lot of fun. So I can't wait to see what this ends up looking like. Hopefully this opens before Horror Nights because we're gonna need a space to escape all the heat. So hopefully Minions Cafe is the new Monsters Cafe. But alas, you still have your opportunity to still have some monster love, because over here you can get your churros, your ices, and everything. This is still here for now, but I can completely see this turning into some type of freeze ray theme thing because of the frozen temperature and then having ices. Call it like the Minions freezer bar, the Minions freeze ray drinks. I don't know, something crazy along those lines. All right, guys, as we looked at all the Minion stuff so far that is in the park, it is a little crazy, but also really exciting. I'm excited to see a lot of changes in the park, a lot of new things, a lot of things that will bring joy to a whole new generation.
Definitely.
100%. Yeah. But speaking of generational things, I think we should go back in time and take a tribute to some of our favorite movies. You know where we're going?
Tribute store?
Tribute store. Alright guys, we just exited the tribute store and I need to let you guys know one thing. They do occasionally have BOGO treats, meaning all the stuff that's in there, occasionally depending on the supply.
Yeah, you say like random, because was here last week, and they were like, oh, don't forget you can get BOGO. Also, when you have the BOGO, you can use your annual pass. So don't forget that discount. So you get the BOGO plus your annual pass discount or whatever other discount that you might have within Universal. But yeah, so they said it was like random, so which is pretty cool. So if you're ever like, you know, in there and you want to know if they have BOGO treats, you can just ask. So today was the
candy apples, like the caramel apples. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. We ended up just getting the ET Moon macaroon.
Macaron, I think.
Macaron.
Macaroon
are the little ones, right?
Yeah, I think, I don't
know the difference. If you guys know the difference, let me know down below because I have no idea. But we just got that, and Lexi also bought a Jaws tumbler.
It also comes
with a straw.
But the straw, they gave it to you at the register probably because, I don't know.
Keep it safe. I mean, it's...
So no one can take it, I guess. But it's so cute.
I like it. And as we exit the tribute store and start walking towards the Revenge of the Mummy area, we see that this road right here is blocked off. Now, they have been closing off a lot of like certain roads and repaving lately. So this might be what's going on here, which is pretty awesome because this is usually one of the locations for Stay and Scream. So it'll be nice to have a nice paved floor for us. So that's exciting. And over here, we still don't have an opening date for the Mummy, but we can hope that it'll be sometime this summer. As you guys see, you can still meet and greet with the characters that were for the parade, but the parade is over. But also behind me, one little thing to add, the crepe stand is currently closed, meaning right now you are not allowed to get crepes. It could just be like little work on it, like maybe sewage or anything like that, but I don't know. This is a really cool location. A lot of people seem to love it. When it reopens, maybe I'll come and try some more. And then right here, right next to the horror makeup show, you have a photo op for Minions Rise of Gru. And honestly, I love the colors here. It just pops. Lexi, stand there like you're getting a picture. Get in there, look at this. Look how cool she looks. Look at her. I love it, it's awesome. Okay, okay. Now we go into Five and Dime to get our new Halloween merch. For this merchandise reveal, let's go take a look inside. Now we enter Five and Dime and we see that we have the Halloween merchandise, which did increase in price. It is now $33 when it was $28. But it is a very basic design, I will say that at the least. But the back design, I kind of like this. This is the kind of shirt that if they still have it later on in the event, I will purchase it, but it's not something that I need right now. And of course, with all the preview merchandise, we have the shirt. We also have the ornament. The ornament just has Michael's face along with the backside being Halloween, and then we still have some of the merchandise here, like the Monsters merch that has the Monsters ornament, and then on the backside here, the Don't Go Alone, well, Never Go Alone t-shirt. Pretty cool. And so before I recorded this, Lexi and I took a walk over across the street to the pass holder lounge, and they gave us a churro, a free churro with our pass. It's for Jurassic World, if you didn't know that. So the upcoming movie that comes out today. So yeah, that's why they gave us a churro. So we are going to tear this churro apart. Anyways, we had a great time today. I gotta say, we had a lot of fun. We saw all the construction that was going on around the park, all the new Horror Nights merch. What was the BOGO deals, the Minions popcorn bucket.
Minions, new
Minions everywhere.
Movies coming out, Jurassic Park movie. A lot of things are happening.
Free churro.
Free churro. A lot of things are happening.
A lot of things are happening. Universal.
I see you. I
see you. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys are awesome. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want us to do next because we want to know. And if you guys haven't done so already, check out the announcement video for Halloween. I'm going to put it over Lexi's face. I'm so sorry. And I will put my face over my own face. Subscribe. Stay excellent, my dudes.